Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. If you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My name is Courtney and I love decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, and so much more. Honey, you are getting the whole lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today I'm working on a DIY wreath. I had this wreath on hand, so I'm adding some decor. Today is day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas, hosted by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So I began with some white Dollar Tree ribbon and some white iridescent ribbon I'd thrifted and created a bow. I attached that bow to my wreath using a pipe cleaner. And if you need some assistance making bows, I'll link my bow tutorial in my description box below. Next, I'm coming around with that same Dollar Tree ribbon and I'm creating loops and using the branches to attach the ribbon. Next, I'll come in with some ornaments and lights and our wreath will be completed. I'm using an oversized Dollar Tree snowflake ornament for the center of my wreath, and I'm using pipe cleaners to attach it. I started off with ornament hangers, but that just wouldn't support the weight. So I ended up attaching it with pipe cleaners. And this wreath came out absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with it. Let me know what you think in those comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I hope this inspires and motivates you to create a designer look wreath at your home. Thank you so much to the sisters of the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. Thank you so much, ladies, and thank you for taking the time out to watch today. So until next time.